Here we are, back with me, Horsemanship. Today's lesson, herding cattle. Good job, Anna. Good posting. Easy. There we go. Let's take them nice and slow so they don't run into the bush. Tell Milagros to walk. 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 Very nice. All right. We like to come out, practice herding cattle, little mini cattle drive out here. And this is what me, Horsemanship, is all about. Being able to experience a little of everything. Trail riding, riding in an outdoor arena, going to find cattle and bringing them back to the barn. It's great. Good job, Anna. We're going to take them back to the stalls. Go nice and slow. Oh. Oh. There you go. Oh. All right. Go nice and slow. Don't run up to them. Get behind the brown one. Behind the brown one. No, 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 no. The light brown one. Light brown one. You're losing your... There you go. Good. Because we always want to be behind them. Atta girl. Good job. We're taking them back to their stall. Yeehaw! Great job for your first time there, cowgirl. Very good. We don't want to spook them too much, so we're taking it nice and slow. Very nice. Easy. Good job. Talk to your horse. Say walk. And don't lean forward. Nice. All right. Right here is good. They made it to their destination. Back to their stall. Yeehaw. They're back home. This is a job well done. Oh, their stall doors are closed. I forgot I closed them.